What's up, y'all? So it finally happened. Scooter is now welding. It's not just something that I'm talking about. This is something that I'm actually doing. If you know, you know. But today I got booked for my first job, and I'm gonna take y'all with me. This is a brand new page, so if you're new to this or if you just got your welding license, go ahead and sub up because I'm finna show you the journey in full 4K HD. Just to show you guys what I'm truly working with and how raw and fresh this is. So I ended up getting a used Hobart welding machine, stick welder from Facebook Market, and the dude sold it to me for $160. Dude, could you believe he sold this for $160? Like, I mean, granted, the Stinger is not the best. You know, it's like coming out and like it barely even open it up. But you know, I'm gonna work with what I have. So shit, might as well. Like the little ground clamp is like $10, you know what I'm saying? But I was too excited in the moment to realize that the Stinger was messed up. Like even though I squeezed it, I was just more focused on if the welder worked itself. I needed to see the arc basically. But yeah, this is what I'm working with. You know, just a little mobile Hobart stick welder, you know, and this is what I'm gonna be bringing on the job with me. See you on the job site. Oh, I forgot to show y'all, the welding rods that I'm using today are the Hobart 332 7018s welding rods. So these more, you know, as finishers, but this is all I have right now, so we gonna make it work. What's up, y'all? Just made it to the weld job, and as you can see, well, you can't see because I gotta be a little confidential where I'm at, you know what I'm saying? But long story short, they hired me to put this lock back on a gate. They got a real bad homeless problem. The homeless person took the lock off the gate just to get inside the garbage. It be real out here for these homeless people. But yeah, I'm gonna show you the job site so you can see, and let's get to it. This is what we're gonna be welding today. As you can see, the weld, they was welding too cold. You can tell it's like lumped up on top of the square tubing, you know? Yeah, as you can, let me see if I can get a better image. You see how it look? That's bad. You could tell he was welding too cold. I'm pretty sure he seen that at the beginning of it, but he was just being lazy. He didn't want to grind it all off and make it better. So I'm here to do his job better for him. A little education: when you trying to connect your lead, your ground clamp lead to the actual weld machine, you want to put it inside the negative terminal, always on the negative terminal, and your Stinger is always on the positive terminal. I was just trying to give you some information just to help somebody who's actually trying to start mobile welding. So anytime when you by yourself like me and like your first time doing it on a real job site, remember, negative ground clamp, positive Stinger. Rule number one, make sure you got long enough extension cords. I don't like wasting time. Like, I had a feeling when I was in Home Depot to grab an extra extension cord, but some told me was like, nah, I won't need it. Man, you should have just go with your gut. Now I'm about to start grinding now. Always prepare your metal. That's perfect. Look at that. Handy dandy Sharpie marker. So I know where to weld it to. Now it's time to clean this up right here. The actual piece that's being welded on. You see how it's all, you know, around here is all like, you can see it. I'm trying to clean that up. I'm just trying to make this look clean now. It's clean all the paint and stuff off the back of it. I went ahead and bought another angle irons just so I could protect the customer's gate. You know, so I'm gonna just do a couple of passes so I can know that it looked perfect. You know, I'm gonna do the whip. I'm gonna just the whip technique. That's what my teacher called it, the whip technique. So that's what I'm finna use. This is the bad thing about this Stinger. It don't want to hold the actual electrodes. Alright, so now that I got my practice runs in, it's time to weld, baby. Always let it cool off. As you can see, this is how the weld coming out so far. It ain't the best, but it'll get the job done. I gotta get another Stinger. I'm learning what I need in real time. This Stinger right here needs to go. I need another one. I don't like how it's coming out. I don't like how the bottom is coming out. So what I'm finna do, I'm finna just grind it out and start over again. Man, I would tell you, overhead is the only thing that's giving me problems. But this is how it looks so far. I mean, it ain't the best in the world, but it's gonna hold. It's not going nowhere.